Hello, my name is David Antoine. Don't hiccup. Don't enter a competition. She will sing on television. Hic, hic, hic. Dog is nervous. Oh no, I can't sing. I have hiccup. Dog's mother give her a scare. Sprite. Hic, hic. Dog still has hic. Put your finger in your ear. Hic. But dogs still have hiccup. Shark on a side of diamond. Hic. But dogs still have hic. A nurse give dogs a glass of water. Drink it upside down. Dogs hic go. She is happy. She combs her hair. The music plays. She sings her song. She's beautiful. The crowd shout and cheers. Goodbye.